Here we go, assignment number 2. And this homework assignment is number 2 is images. So the details, it's time to make your recipe from number 1. So I've just used the same code from number 1, and I've added a title page. So let's take a look at that. The title page was up here, and you see in the head, we put title page. Now I already had that part of it where it said title page, which makes this piece up here show up as the title, basically. And then down here, we did an H1 in the body called H1, and that makes the title. So now we have here Killer Keto Bombs as a title. I think I already had that done. No, did I? No, I think I had it done the last video. Anyway, so then we were asked to go through here and add a paragraph about the food and why we liked it so much. So let's go over here and see what we did. So down here under the title, then we come here to H3. I made it an H3 heading so that it would question what is a fat bomb. And then I plagiarized. Mea culpa, mea culpa. Anyway, I plagiarized and I cut some information off the internet. I'm not going to post it anyway, so I don't worry about it. It's just an assignment we're playing around with. Fat bombs, love, yeah, blah, blah, blah. So that goes up here under there. There's a paragraph. You see it starts with a P and it ends with a P. I put the header within the paragraph. I'm pretty sure that's what I should have done. I don't know. Maybe there's 2 ways to do it. Maybe I could have put it out here. Anyway, so then we go, and to the next part add to this is we were supposed to yep, there's that. Add emojis to the end of each of at least 5 lines. So what I did was I came in here, and these emojis are a little bit, obviously it's not very attractive because these emojis are kind of big. I'm sure we will learn how to do emojis, or how we will be able to take images and actually reduce their size or change them or alter them. That's probably under the CSS part of this training. So anyway, but there we got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 emojis. Count them. That's awesome. All right, so let's go back over here and let's see. The emojis are added, 5 lines. Download your favorite. Okay, so that was kind of a hassle. I had to download them. Well, using this this JS bin thing, they just added some functionality, but normally I would have been looking to have a place to put them on an FTP site or something where I could just link over to there, but they have a newfangled way of doing it. Anyway, got it done. And the way that it worked is you can see in the line item, for example, this little emoji, the one piece of candy. If you look at it, I'm going to open this up a little bit wider. I was able to put in the image. The source, of course, is the HTTPS. That's where it's located because we transferred it from the original place. I typed it offline and put it into right into JSBin, as they've got a place for resources. I had to upgrade so that I could use that functionality. And then I closed it. And so there's the actual name of the image file. It's a JPEG. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that was able to handle that. And let's go back here. So upload them to an HDL page. Download. Okay, yeah. Favorite sites. What? Number 4, final list. Add another paragraph that describes the dish, what it looks like, yada, yada, yada. And then extra credit, I could put an image in. So that's what I did. So let's go back here. Look at the very bottom here. There is H2. Dang, if they aren't delicious. Okay, I did an H3 heading so that this one here mirrors. I'm going to run my picture. Let's see if I can make that smaller or something. Let's see what we got. There we go. So this one here, yeah, that doesn't help. Anyway, let's move it over here. There's a picture right there of, now I'm screwing this thing up. Let me make it big again so I don't run into that. Anyway, let's just shut the HTML off and we can show the whole thing. All right, so if you look at there, below this, aren't they delicious? This is some text again. So, yeah, I'll show this in a second. There's a picture of a fat bomb. Ta-da! Let's go back here and let's turn on our output again, split screen, so I can show this all together. Oh, that was not very, yeah, said I published it. So if you want to look at my recipe, there's the whole thing published, but we're not doing that right now. So let's do the output on the HTML on. Come down there. Oh, no, that's pretty good. All right, so instructions. Below, add your final list. Below your final list, add the paragraph. So you saw the paragraph, and then you saw that I added as extra credit a picture. So and let's look at the code that did that. And the code is, there's the extra paragraph. I went ahead and made, ain't those dang if they ain't delicious. And I put them emphasizingly strong. So not only is that line italic, but it's also bold. All right. And you can see the fat bomb. So that I just dropped the bomb. I just dropped the bomb right there by itself after the paragraph. Probably not the fancy way to do it, but we got the job done. Okay, well, that's it. So we are over and out, Roger. And now I'm going to turn off this screen and dismiss on that, and I'm going to shut off